Hello YouTube, haven't taken a video for a while, so I figure I'd take a new one. This is my Mastercraft 4.245 horsepower lawnmower. It's been sitting in the shed all winter. I just put gas into it and we'll see what happens. Like I said, it has been started for probably, well, since last August, maybe early September, because we had a late summer this year, but here goes nothing. Like I said, I just put some gas into it. It's full of gas there. This has been started. Hand in the muffler, very cold. Figured we'd probably prime it up a bit. At the end of last year, I just got it serviced. So it should be good to go right off the bat. We'll see what happens. I'm going to try to find a place to put the camera here. And we'll start it up. Maybe this will work right here. There we go. Here goes nothing. Oh. Not really going so well here. I'll be right back. There's actually a bunch of fishing wire stuck around the blade, so I just ripped it off, and now we'll try again, see how it goes. Here goes nothing. Good old Mastercraft, eh? Canadian manufactured. Once again, nothing happens. We're gonna take it to the driveway, because I'm getting a little ticked off. I do have another lawnmower if this one fails to start. We'll go from there. Here we go again. Go, but it's a little smoky. A little bit of backfire. Hey, it's running. That's all for now, YouTube. Thanks a lot. I'll try and post more videos shortly. Cheers.